So for this 5-month modified position, you're going to start with the affected side down. So if we're working this left glute, you're going to start just lying on your left side and go down onto your elbow. Yep, perfect. And then this bottom leg is just going to be in that 90-90 position. And then from here, you're going to twist the front end so that you're on to both elbows. Good. Now you want to think about driving the ground away from your elbows. Good, yep, just like that. And then tucking your chin up through there. And then from this position, you're gonna think about crushing your knee. So rolling your pelvis over, crush your knee into the ground and drive on up. And you'll feel that nice big stretch in the back of your glute. Come up a little bit higher here. Good. And then from there, you're just gonna slowly bridge it nice on all the way down. Good, and then you can drive right on up. Good, and then think about staying nice and long on this left side here. Good, still driving the floor away from your elbows. And then come down nice and slow. Good, and you can go up and down, in and out of this, really kind of focusing on slowing down as you come back to the ground, really keeping that pressure through the bottom knee on the left side.